Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to Pure Radiance. I received this peel off jelly face mask from Amazon and wanted to share my experience and honest review. This mask contains amazing ingredients like arbutin, goji fruit seeds, and hydrolyzed collagen. Its brightening reduces spots and has antioxidants. This mask comes in a powder form in a huge plastic container. All you have to do is add water in a 4:3 powder to water ratio using the measuring spoon included in the container. You should apply the mask 3 times a week and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. The mask is made for all skin types. You can even use it over your mouth and eyelids. When I used this mask for the first time, first thing I noticed is the consistency. It's very thick and jelly-like. It felt like a very luxurious at-home facial. It says on the container to use a 1:1 powder to water ratio, but I found that using a 4:3 ratio was best. I applied a thick layer and left it on for about 20 minutes until it was completely dry. I felt like my face needed to breathe while the mask was on. It definitely keeps in moisture. When I peeled it off, it was very smooth and came off in one piece. My face looked instantly brighter and more hydrated and glowy. Make sure to use the mask as soon as you mix it with the water to give it time to dry on your face. Otherwise, it will be very lumpy and will not work correctly. I will definitely keep using this mask, and I recommend it to anyone who wants to see instant results from a mask that actually works. I will be adding the link in the description below so you know exactly where I purchased it. So give this mask a try. I'm sure you guys will like it as much as I did and get great results from using it. And let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below so you don't miss any videos. I love you guys so much, and remember to stay beautiful.